Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing files and choosing the right WeTransfer option. Free transfers cap at 2 GB, paid plans raise that limit and add features. Once ready, open WeTransfer in your browser or the app and pick Add Your Files. Make sure you gather recipient email addresses and an explanatory message before you proceed, so you avoid aborting mid-upload. You should also decide if you need a transfer password or expiration custom settings, because those change how recipients access the files. You now focus on the upload and configuration. Drag and drop or click to add files and monitor the progress bar for time estimates. Pause large uploads if your connection is unstable. Next, choose email transfer to send directly or link for sharing. Set expiration and an optional password so security matches sensitivity. Make sure the sender name and message are clear to avoid confusion. Once done, confirm recipient emails, then click Transfer. The app uploads, then sends confirmation when complete. You finish by confirming delivery and guiding recipients. After transfer completes, you'll get an email confirmation and recipients receive either a link or direct email. If someone cannot download, resend the link or forward the confirmation. Make sure they check spam folders. If the upload failed, check your internet. Try a wired connection, compress files, or split into smaller parts. Those steps often fix timeouts. If links expire or passwords are lost, recreate the transfer or use WeTransfer support to recover access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.